Okay, folks, I am still over here in Youngsville. We just continue to dig up jewels. I mean, gold. That's unreal what we got here. Now, I know this is a car site, but you got to admit, this is cool. You don't see these very much anymore. And if it hadn't been for that show American Pickers, I wouldn't have known these things existed. But we have a Vespa 150 Super, and it's got the 1500cc engine in it, or it did. There's the engine right there. And is this the original color?
The blue is.
The blue's the original color, okay. Man, this thing is just nostalgic as I don't know what all. There you go, Vespa. This thing is for sale. He's asking $600 for it. And it's here in Youngsville. And it's definitely a project, but it looks like all the pieces are there. And we're not sure of the year. We think it's somewhere between the 73, 77. He disassembled the bike. So it's, or the scooter, I guess is more accurate. So we know the parts are original to the machine. And there's the tires. And I'd love to have this myself, but I got about 9 or 10 projects and I'm not getting any younger. But that would be, I ain't gonna lie to you folks, that would be cool. You got a little place to put your stuff right here. Ain't that something? That is so cool right there. Remember that movie, Tom Hanks was in that movie, and he was driving one of these. I forget the name of the movie. There we go.
One of the cool things on the engine, just being direct drive.
Oh, okay.
Right off the engine.
How about that, folks? I know you Vespa fans that know more about this stuff than I do, so comment, please comment. Be cool. Right, this guy was nice enough to let me video this stuff on his property, so be cool. And we're all having fun out here. And like I said, it is for sale. And he did disassemble this bike or scooter, so the parts are original to it. And subscribe to my channel, folks. I'll continue to dig up this stuff for you, and we'll continue to dig up this stuff for you. And we'll have fun doing it, meeting a lot of great people on the way, getting a lot of contacts, and comment and like and subscribe is all I can ask you to do. Okay, folks, hope you enjoyed this. These are made in Italy, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Cool, got it. All right, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. We're going to go on to the next one. Thank you.